Hey everyone, can anyone tell me what a reliability leader is?
A person who's really good at leading and being reliable.
No, it's more than that. Let's start with what reliability means. It's the ability of an asset to perform an intended function without failure over a specific time. A reliability leader is someone who knows how to spearhead reliability programs.
Okay.
Anyone can be a reliability leader. Because reliability plays a role in every part of the organization, from designing and buying equipment to HR and even risk management.
Why can't we just ask maintenance to plan better?
Because we could be sourcing contaminated lubricant, missing a critical spare part. An operator may not be trained correctly, and the list goes on and on. That's all outside maintenance control.
I see.
So reliability has to be a cross-functional effort led by reliability leaders. And that's why you're all here. I'm sending all of you to the Certified Reliability Leader Workshop.
Wow.
All right.
Yay!